This is Channel 4 World Service. Good evening. We're back on air to prepare for the annual Sandstarian Emergency Override System test. For non-Sandstarian viewers, Test Card Dog will appear instead. Please stand by.
This is the annual test of the emergency override system. In case of an emergency of any kind, this broadcast will be overridden by this message. This is only a test of the system. There is no emergency. This message will end shortly. Please stand by.
This is Channel 4 World Service. That was truly something, wasn't it? The Sandstarian emergency alert surely is something. As far as we know, there are no impromptu interruptions to our, dog picture. So, have a good night, and we hope to see you tomorrow.